How to use Airbnb Reserve Now Pay Later. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open the app. Log into your account. Once logged in, you can simply search for a place you would like to stay. So, after that, make sure to choose a listing that has a flexible or moderate cancellation policy, as this feature is only available for eligible stays. Once you found a suitable property, tap on the listing to open it up. Now, you can simply tap on the reserve button. After that, on the checkout page, look for the option that says choose when to pay. If you don't see it right away, you can simply tap on next, add your payment method, and then simply tap on continue. On the next screen, you should see the option that says when will you pay. If stay is eligible, you should see reserve now pay later option here. Go ahead and select it, then tap on done. After that, you can simply tap on pay to confirm your booking. At this point, you will pay $0 upfront. The full amount will be automatically charged to your selected payment before the free cancellation period ends. You can also manage your payment anytime by going on the Trips tab, where you can update your payment method and choose to pay later. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.